At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, we're going to start it off with Pat Sutherland in the early morning here. So Pat Sutherland posted, I will continue to advocate for transparency and fairness. While we support assisting vulnerable citizens, clear criteria and accountability are crucial to ensure these social programs uplift rather than divide or serve political agendas. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Wanna hear what she said? She said, while we support assisting vulnerable citizens. I want to understand, because the Labour right them out here spread propaganda. I talk about how PNP no want the people of Jamaica get the 20,000. No, that is not the case. And uno dirty kin Labour right, uno need to stop tell lie now. Uno need to stop tell lie now, man, and go get some knowledge. You see, the whole of una thief, just like una master. The whole of una is a rotted old thief, just like Andrew Wellness. Seriously, my wisdom warriors, una know so she's talking about the 20,000. Yeah? So me I go get into it, me I go read up some more, and then we elaborate. Hear this. So the question being asked by the opposition People's National Party, PNP, about the government one-time grant of 20,000 for Jamaicans 18 years and older who are not registered for the reverse income tax credit. The PNP Patricia Duncan Sutherland says the government one-time grant of 20,000 smack of desperation by the wholeness-led Jamaica Labour Party to secure votes. Who agree with her? Who agree with her, my wisdom warriors? Because me agree with her. Me agree with her. Me say that from day one. From a long time me I say it. From a long time me I say it. The spokesperson on social protection and social transformation says, while the PNP welcomes any initiative aimed at assisting vulnerable members of society, several questions remain unanswered. These include transparency, fairness, and accountability in the implementation of this program. The one-time 20,000 grant will start in February 2025. The beneficiaries will be assessed by the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, but Mistress Duncan Sutherland is calling on the government to urgently provide a clear and public outline of the criteria for eligibility. Disclose the number of expected beneficiaries and the total allocation for the program, and establish independent oversight mechanism to ensure accountability in the delivery process. She says a robust, transparent framework must be implemented to ensure that those who truly need this assistance receive it. What she say wrong? She not say nothing wrong. She not say nothing wrong. How comes how comes you say you go give the people them money, but yet you not explain and tell we who is eligible for it? Who is eligible for receive it? How comes me not understand that? So this is definitely vote buying. We know where you do Andrew Wellness. This is definitely vote buying. And you cannot do that. You cannot do that. You understand me? It is wrong what you are doing. It is totally wrong. February 2025, you decide, okay, you're going to give 20,000. All right. So if you're going to give 20,000, under what capacity you're going to give them? Tell us. You need to tell us. You cannot do that. The opposition is there. You do something like that. The opposition, them need to know what is going on. You cannot do that. This for sure you say you're a friggin' thief. This for sure you say you're a thief, brother. This is stupidness. This is stupidness. You're out here talking about you're going to give away 20,000, but yet you're not implement a eligibility criteria. That not make no sense to me. Me not understand. So if you're not doing that, that means you buy vote. That means you just give who you want to give. You cannot do that. Because if that is the case, you just want to give, Yeah, that means that every single person in a Jamaica need to receive the 20,000. No, Sankey can sing so. So when PNP attack, then just want transparency because them know say Andrew Holness a thief. This is why, but they now go come out and say that. But we all know. You understand? So what did they say wrong? So when the Labour right talk about how PNP no want to receive 20,000, I only see one out there every day say how PNP love handout. PNP no love handout. I never see a video with PNP yet to collect money. I never yet see a video. And if there was a video, I uno first put that out. Uno supporters of the Labour Party. Uno first. But every day you get up a chat about PNP love hands out. I uno love it. I uno love it because I uno get up a cost about 20,000. Like 20,000 or something. Or something that? 20,000 or something? By uno quint it done later in the day. Hello? Seriously. The lady come out and the lady said she need transparency. What did she say wrong? She never said nothing wrong. She never said nothing wrong. She said she want to make sure that the right people receive it. Because if you say you're going to give back, if you say you're going to give back Andrew Holness, yeah, to workers, yeah, but then we realize, say, you either 2025 you want to give back, but enough for workers. So come out and tell us under what criteria. And that's all the PNP say, be transparent, but you can't be transparent. I don't know how, you don't know say Andrew Holness is finance minister though? You don't know that Jamaica? Andrew Holness is finance minister, he do all of this rubbish, He do all of this rubbish, and Jamaica is not stable. The economy is not stable. Everybody know that. The economy is not even growing. The economy stopped growing. Like literally. So where Andrew Holness get all this money from? We have to think about that. Seriously, this is ridiculous. The Labour right, them out grow on and talk about how PNP no want to get 20,000. But yet I only see one get up every day and say how PNP love hands out. But I only love it. I only love it. I only dep on social media cause like on idiot on a dunce bad. On so fool on make everybody on make a country different country people laugh at away. Cause Andrew Holness I tell on be a lion everybody know. So Andrew Holness I take on for fool and on just make Jamaican people look stupid on a dirty kin Labour right. I wanna forget the blame. Wanna forget the blame. Cause I run behind the damn thief. Una run behind the thief, the friggin' thief for much billion of dollar. The thiefing man thief for much billions are only given a 20,000. Una should have damn shame. Una should have shame. But no, una not no shame. Because una say, at least we get something, una friggin' idiot. So una not no sense. That's why me have to cuss out on a clot. Because una have no sense. Una need to go get some knowledge, man. My wisdom warriors, hear this. Opposition calls for clarity on government 20,000 grant for unregistered youths. You hear that? They call for clarity. They want them to be more transparent. They want to explain under what circumstances. Because if you not go say unregistered youths, if you not go say unregistered youth, a whole heap of unregistered youth in Jamaica, so you can give some and left out some. And we know say that go happen. You understand? So they have all right. They have all right to ask for clarity. The way you so fool to make Andrew Holness trick on Andrew Holness steal for much billions of dollars. The man all use donation money we have for uno charity money and buy him own personal asset and uno up and down around behind Andrew Holness. Boy, I mean, I know something must wrong with you. Opposition spokesperson on social protection and social transformation, Patricia Duncan Sutherland, is calling on the government to provide following Prime Minister Andrew Holness' announcement of 20,000 grant for Jamaicans 18 years and older who are not registered for benefits by the government. This is definitely vote buying. This is definitely vote buying under style. Vote buying under style. A vote buying. Uno say uno not have no money. This is what you said. Uno not have no money. So where you get them money here from? Is it the scammer money? Uno collect there? Is it the drug trafficking money? It you use Andrew Holness? For buy vote? You really take with a fool to blouse and skirt. And then nobody now come out and nobody now protest, nobody now demonstrate for ask for you to be removed. It just come like everybody all right with you. That's why it seems to me, Jamaica. Because guess why, From uno silent, that mean uno okay with Andrew. It's just the truth. Uno know that. From uno quiet, that means that Andrew good to go. Boy, I don't know. Hear more. Duncan Sutherland, in a statement on Tuesday, November 26, said, while the opposition welcomes any initiative aimed at assisting vulnerable members of society, several questions remain unanswered, raising concern about transparency, fairness, and accountability in the implementation of this program. Jamaicans deserve social programs that uplift them, not initiatives that create further divisions or erode trust in governance. A robust, transparent framework must be implemented to ensure that those who truly need this assistance receive it, she said. Where she say wrong? She is looking out for the Jamaican people. She are look out for Jamaican people. So, uno labor writer run with narrative. Uno a real idiot. Uno a set of fools. And out here a distract people because uno knows that some people don't have understanding. Uno is a wicked shit house. Uno terrible man. Uno for stop it. You know say uno Jamaican really not like to see uno brothers and sisters get successful in a life. Uno know that though. Uno don't want uno brothers and sisters to get successful in a life. Me realize that. The way I see all the dancehall artists a distract and a tell uno lie. Me realize that him hate Jamaican people. He hate Jamaican people. Anyway, who will determine who is in need and how will that determination be made? The process of selecting beneficiaries must be outlined to the public. You hear that? And the criteria for eligibility must be transparent to ensure fairness. So since when the criteria of eligibility for getting 20,000 cannot be transparent? Andrew Holness, that means that you're hiding something in the garden. You're hiding something in the garden. Why we even have Andrew Holness out here a look after with money, a deal with money affairs? Does this all make sense? This is nonsense, This is nonsense. Jamaicans deserve to know how many persons are expected to benefit. What she say wrong? She talking truth. Andrew Holness not outline none of them things here. Andrew Holness not outline none of them things. This is why them come out and them attack. So when them attack, they want to make sure say everybody get. They don't want Andrew Holness a favorite only the labor right. You understand? Or some of the labor right. So this is why she's saying Jamaicans deserve to know how many persons are expected to benefit, how funds will be allocated, and what system will be in place to prevent misuse and favoritism, she added. She's talking nothing but the truth. She's talking nothing but the truth, my wisdom warriors. Recalling the post-burial relief program, which left many Jamaicans disillusioned due to a lack of transparency, Duncan Sutherland stated, there is a clear and troubling precedent of inequity in how relief funds and benefits have been distributed under this administration. The announcement must not become another example of selective political patronage disguised as social protection. She noted that the timing of this announcement, coupled with the absence of key details, raises questions about whether this initiative is driven by genuine concern for vulnerable Jamaicans or by political expediency. It is political. We all know that. This is why you hear me talk about February 2025. You might do all of that for win the election. But only Jamaican must know, because Andrew Holness are bringing us straight back to square one. Andrew Holness are bringing us straight back to square one. So you can't stay there going like an idiot. And but you not gonna make Andrew Holness win general election. Hey, you go so go cook properly. When initiatives such as these appear conveniently in close proximity to election cycles, it is difficult for the public not to wonder if this is more about securing votes than serving the people. We cannot allow policies aimed at alleviating poverty to become tools of pork barrel politics, she said. The opposition is now calling on the government to urgently address the following: provide a clear and public outline of the criteria for eligibility, disclose the number of expected beneficiaries and the total allocation for the program, and establish independent oversight mechanism to ensure accountability in the delivery process. Wanna hear that? Wanna hear that, Jamaica? So, you see, the PNP, they're really looking out, for the Jamaican people. It is sad when me hear some Labourite or some Jamaican is talking really bad about PNP. No. PNP really care. If you just go read up and let me tell you something, the opposition leader don't tell lie. Me tell you, he come out with facts because there's always proof. If you go check the Jamaican site, the government site at Jamaica, yeah, when Andrew come out and tell you something, pandem site or something totally different. That's why me always telling us Andrew a liar. Understand? Me always telling you. But Jamaica, you must know, You must know. Because the last time I check, a whole heap of things Andrew honestly that go on with that. Same Labourite and PNP came out and did a ball right through COVID. But me realize that some people easily forget things. And who did a back on right through? It was Mark Golding. Mark Golding. And when Andrew honestly implement some things, Mark Golding said, no. No, but Andrew honest, that's a trick on you, to get back in the power because everything, you see, all taxi driver, stay there. Stay there, pet and powder, Andrew. Because you see the whole of them bus that Andrew honest bring a Jamaica, the whole of them go come off a road. And the bus go run the whole of Jamaica. Me tell you no. Stay there, go read and get some knowledge. You hear me? You see, taxi driver, have to go on Uber. You can't depend on the road with one red plate or whatever. You have nothing like that now go happen again. You hear me? The yellow bus them are go do in the 14 parishes. And you now go have a job. Is either you go and go work for minimum wage and drive the bus, or you go turn Uber. And that you have to go do. So you stay there. You taxi driver. You stay there. No go read up things and know Andrew Wellness plan. Because Andrew Wellness have a piece of plan for you. You see, all the car seat 5, Andrew Wellness I bring it back. You hear me? Andrew Wellness. Hey, Lord Jesus. You know what? My wisdom warriors, I want to take in Ian Hales because Ian Hales have been giving out some solar system. So just take a look at this.
So I came to the community of Bark, I would say probably 6 weeks ago? 6 weeks ago, and this gentleman here, Marky, said to me that they needed a couple of things in here. One was the drain to be cleaned there, 2 was the light, and 3 was the water. I can't do the water yet because I'm not the member of parliament. The drain, the councillor says she's going to look into it. But I'm back with some solar lights because Jamaicans are suffering from JPS not providing street lights for communities to ensure that it can reduce crime, and also you can see at night to go home. And that wasn't being done here and is not being done here in the community of Bark. So, Marky, on behalf of myself and the constituency executive and the PNP team, we are providing you with 2 street solar lights at a cost of $70,000 to the community. And I'd like to present the first one to you and the second one over there also. So we can put this.
On behalf of our community, same way, we have to thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, man, whole heap of respect, man.
Yeah. Respect.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Anytime you come back, you go see what then you can see good way to do for your community. You see?
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
My wisdom warriors, me like this when me see it, the people, they don't have street light, They don't have street light. So when me see them hand this over, me feel so good. You can see that them really appreciate it. And thanks to the PNP, thanks to Ian Hayes for doing this. A lot more people in different areas would like something like this. Solar, they say the solar system is the way to go. You know about the Andrew Wellness with the nuclear plant. You know, hear me? Andrew Wellness put people life in danger with this nuclear thing we have. So, wanna tell me what you think, tell me how you feel about all this, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Remember, guys, I have another channel. It is called the PNP News Round. Run, go over there now, subscribe, and get me to 5K. Blessings upon blessings. One love.